what's up everybody? It's Christian with Rite-Way Detailing of Rancho Cucamonga, California. We are your local certified ceramic pro installer. Thank you for tuning into this video. I appreciate it. We have a brand spanking new 2-week-old 2018 Cadillac CTS-V with the Z06 Corvette motor. Super impressed that Cadillac stuffed this thing in there. It's for the 14 and up Z06s. Now it's in the Cadillac CTS-Vs. They ditched that LSA, as you know, that 6.2 before, and stuff that in there. So we did a bronze package from Ceramic Pro. Like I said, we are a certified Ceramic Pro installer, so we did a full decontamination after reviewing the vehicle, inspecting it with our customer, did a full decontamination. And we'll have videos on explaining everything about stuff like that and how-tos, but just for the shortness and to get this video going for you guys, we did decontamination, one-stage correction on all the paintwork, the headlights, the actual venting in here, front splitter, all the areas that are able to be polished. Did a one stage with Menzerna, and then it was ready to go from there, guys. And we went ahead and did a wheels off. So we chalked the vehicle, jacked it up properly, took the wheel off, actually did the barrel behind the spokes in there, did the actual brake caliper. It's metallic red, beautiful color choice. And we actually did the felt inside there. We actually coated that with Ceramic Pro textile. And we can do the plastic as well depending on the vehicle, but this one had felt. We did that. So that's what's included with our wheels off option. Best way to go, I'm just saying, because I've coated all my vehicles and our detail vans. It's truly amazing how well it cleans up if you take care of your vehicle yourself. So get it coated, choose the wheels off. Even if you're choosing another company near you, you know, not everybody's gonna fly out from somewhere and bring their car. We're in California, so if you're in California, come check us out. Check out our stuff down in the show more box. But anyway, choose the wheels off. We did the barrel, like I said, everything. So those wheels will clean up so nice, and they look absolutely stunning. You'll be rolling down the road and people are like, dang man, look at those wheels on that CTS-V. And that's what makes me happy. I want my customers to get a lot of compliments. So we paint corrected, like I said, coated the exterior, everything, all the trim, and then we do the gloss as well as Ceramic Pro Rain. Sorry about that. With Rain, so we do 2 layers on all the glass and then 1 layer of light, and do the wheel faces. That's what's all included in our bronze package. We'll go over packages and stuff like that. Don't want to get too complicated and in depth right now. Just wanted to showcase this sick brand new CTS-V because this is what we're about, guys. We get brand new vehicles and daily drivers, and we restore them as well. But we get a vehicle, we want to make it look brand spanking new, even better brand new than this brand new. What I mean by that is correcting, getting it swirl free, and then coating it with Ceramic Pro. There's 6-month, 2-year, 5-year, 10-year. So that's the basic breakdown of the packages, and then I'll explain later on in another video what's all included in them, because we have a lot of vehicles that are coming in. So we got a Mercedes too that will be getting a gold lifetime package, so I'll include you guys in on that later. I'm just trying to get this video shot on this car because it's so beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, I was so impressed by this Cadillac CTS-V. I did not know they came with that, and I stay updated, but I'm serious, this one kind of flew under the radar, so I was really excited to see what all was included. Let's jump in the interior real quick. Let's check out the interior in case you guys haven't seen it, and I'll kind of show you guys what we did. We fed all the interior leather and plastic. Now I know it's not real leather for people that want to critique. Coated all that, you know, vacuumed everything really nicely. We also do interior coatings. We'll have, like I said, we'll have another video on that. You can permanently protect the interior, but check it out, guys. Such a beautiful interior. All Alcantara suede leather, Recaro racing seats. Very, I mean, super underrated vehicle. I mean, if you see this thing on the streets, watch out. It's no joke. Now let's showcase the paint correction. That's how wet and glossy we can get the paint and swirl free. So if you're in the SoCal area, you're looking for paint correction, you know, check out our work on Instagram, like I said in the show more. But that's our work right there in video form. That's a color match light going back and forth. You don't see no swirls. We'll do a full video on our paint correction processes as well. But just wanted to showcase this brand new CTS-V and kind of show you guys our work, because this will be our first video on YouTube. So thank you guys to everybody that watched this. You know, I really appreciate the support. We work hard. It's hard to get these videos shot in time. I've had a lot of cars that I wanted to shoot some videos on, just didn't get the chance to do it, but I'm glad we're able to do this now, because we've had this car for about 2 days because it needed some love. Needed to get coated properly. It's about the time. because we infrared bake everything too as well. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to kind of shoot everything that we did on the vehicle. I do appreciate you guys watching it. Please check out the Show More box, because I'll include links to our social media like Instagram, Facebook. You can find us on there. Follow us, Rite-Way Detailing. It's right_way_detailing. And then our website as well. Our website is www.rite-way-detailing.com. So I'll include it in the link below, and if it shows up on the screen, it shows up on the screen. If not, please check the Show More box. If you're in the SoCal area and you want to get your vehicle done, go ahead, check out our packages, see what's going to work best for you. Contact us, we'll inspect it all, everything like that. But besides that, if you're just tuning in to see the CTS-V, I hope I gave you guys some good content on that. Like I said, super impressed. I'm an auto enthusiast myself. I have all my own vehicles coated, and I can't wait to pick up our new vehicle that's coming. Just wanted to showcase how sick this CTS-V is. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Check the Show More box for any information that we put in there. Sometimes we'll have some goodies to some products and discount codes, but we'll just include our social media stuff on that. Sorry, this dumb camera's not focusing, guys, but we'll include our social media on that if you guys want to give us a follow. So please, if you guys enjoy this content, I know it's probably not the best video you've seen. I'm going to be upfront about that. This is our first video, so we'll get better with time, I promise, guys. But we are Rite-Way Detailing of Rancho Cucamonga. We are a certified ceramic pro installer. So if you enjoy this content, please subscribe, give us a like, turn on that notifications button, and then if you're seeing this on Facebook, again, just thank you for that. Just go follow us on social media for some support. We really appreciate it. If not, I just hope you guys enjoyed the actual content of seeing a 2018 CTS-V up close and personal. And I hope, most likely in the intro, we'll probably have this thing firing up, or at the end, I don't know. I'm in the middle of shooting the actual, during the time. So hopefully I'll get an exhaust clip in there. If not, if you already heard it, I hope you enjoyed all those bald eagles coming out of this machine. If you're going to see it right now, I don't know yet. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and follow us. Have a great day.